Walk into any small business during a peak period, and you will hear phones ringing. Front desk teams are physically stretched, meaning calls after hours, on weekends, or during high traffic surges simply go to voicemail. For most businesses, manual reception cannot scale. The consequence of that bottleneck is immediate. An unanswered call is a lost lead. When a prospective client hits a voicemail, they hang up and call a competitor. Missed calls equal missed revenue. This gap heavily affects high-volume, service-laced operations. Dentists and lawyers, real estate agencies, and local trades businesses all rely on inbound phone inquiries to drive their daily sales. Phone responsiveness has evolved into a primary structural vulnerability. For the modern SME, poor call handling creates a hard ceiling on how much revenue a firm can actually generate. The logical entities to solve this multi-billion-dollar problem are managed service providers, or MSPs, the IT and telecom partners that already manage the tech infrastructure for these businesses. They have the client trust and the established distribution networks. But capturing that demand presents a massive technical barrier. Building a business-ready, multilingual voice AI from the ground up requires enormous capital. This flowchart illustrates the required infrastructure. You need proprietary large language models, low-latency audio processing servers, and complex telecom routing nodes. It requires millions in R&D and deep AI engineering expertise. IT providers should not have to become AI engineering firms to sell artificial intelligence. They need a mechanism they can deploy to their existing clients right now. That deployable mechanism is Donova. It is a turnkey AI receptionist platform built specifically to bypass that development barrier. Looking at this decision tree, you can see how Donova operates for the end user. It answers calls instantly, 24/7. It captures lead details, resolves common queries, and routes urgent matters directly into booked appointments. But its actual advantage lies in its architecture. Donova is engineered from the ground up as a multi-tenant platform for technology partners to distribute. It takes a highly complex software engineering challenge and packages it into a simple, out-of-the-box service delivery model. The DEVECTUS partner program is built on 3 pillars. The first is white label branding, ensuring that you maintain complete ownership of your client relationships. As you can see in this interface mockup, the entire Donova platform can be visually rebranded to match your distinct corporate identity. Your clients see your logo, not ours. The second pillar is frictionless deployment. You can rapidly onboard new clients using risk-free 7-day trial accounts, allowing them to test the AI on their own phone lines. This diagram illustrates how Donova connects into existing workflows. It features native integrations with customer relationship management platforms like Zoho CRM, HubSpot, and Nucleus. It also utilizes secure webhooks, automated data pushes, to send call information to external systems. End users manage all of this through a dedicated customer portal. It includes a lightweight internal CRM, where staff can review color-coded call summaries, build caller profiles, and trigger automated follow-ups. Because deployment takes minutes, partners can prove undeniable financial value within a week. You bypass long enterprise sales cycles by letting the AI prove its own worth immediately. The third pillar is scalability, driven by a dedicated partner admin portal. This is your operational command center. From here, you create new customer accounts, configure individual AI receptionists, manage local phone numbers, and monitor call activity across your entire portfolio. This network graphic demonstrates how multi-tenancy works in practice. A single partner can easily scale from managing one account to overseeing dozens of distinct clients from one centralized dashboard. By removing operational friction, the platform allows you to grow your user base without constantly expanding your own support staff. These technical capabilities ultimately translate into a very clear business outcome: high-margin, sticky, monthly recurring revenue. This chart breaks down the economics. The standard customer price is $159. Partner wholesale is $99, clearing a $60 margin per client. Scaling quickly, 20 customers yields $1,200 in monthly recurring revenue. The AI handles the labor of answering calls, and the software requires minimal technical support, so your profit margin holds steady as you expand. You do not need to build an AI company to capture the automated voice market. You only need the right platform to distribute. Deploy the Donova playbook, partner with DEVECTUS, and give your clients